Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about application of file handling, okay, in Python, of course. In the previous video, we have seen all about file handling, and we're just going to discuss a simple question with it, okay. You can check out the video on the I button above if you have missed it. It is very much important for you to have that videos because that's the basic. Let's get into a problem. It says we need to write a Python program that takes text file as an input and returns a number of words in the given text file. Okay, whatever the text file we have, we want to get the number of words we have, okay, in that particular text file. So we have the text file as this. So this is a text file, the same question, okay. So now note that some words can be separated by comma with no spaces, like this, okay. Like their appearance, it is not having any space but it has comma, so we still, because Python will consider this as a word because it does not have spaces. Word is what? A word, two words are differentiated by comma. We are going to use sorry, not comma, by space. So we're going to use spaces for differentiating two words. So here we are not having spaces, so we need to, one thing we need to put, we need to use a logic so that we can, instead of considering comma as a comma, we need to replace, or we need to understand it as a space. So what we should do, okay, so this is our task, okay, this is important also, okay. Now let us discuss the approach. First of all, how we're going to do it. So by discussing the flow chart, okay. So we have like print, okay, this is what our main body is. We're going to call the function that is word count file, and it will lead me to the this block, like def. We have a function, we are going to open a file, okay, well, with file object. Then what it says, like we are going to, whatever data is that, we have assigned the variable data to read, okay, whatever the file reads, it's going to get into data. And then, as I said, we need to consider the comma as space. So we're going to replace whatever data we have in that, however commas we have, whatever commas we have, we're going to replace it by space, and we're going to return the length by splitting it with a space and considering it as a list, of course, okay. So we're going to use the length function of a string, okay, by splitting it with spaces, okay, and then the program ends. So this is very simple. Now we're going to open, we're going to read, we're going to replace, and we're going to get the length and end. Let's get into editor so that we can get more from it. So I have created the function, I have called it. Now let's write the code. One more thing I would like to introduce with this program is the width function, okay. I haven't discussed the width function in the video, but this is it, the width function. It is very important. Like we are going to open a file, okay, we're going to open a file as f, okay, as f. How we will do it? In simple way, we will say f is equals to open an object, okay, an attribute, okay. So this is how we does, but we can also do it with width function, okay. So now what I need, the data to be read, so f dot, so we have now our file object as f. Now f dot read, so this is going to read the particular file. Now we need to replace the data which has comma with space. I'm going to replace the data which has comma with space, and I want to return a length of the data using split function. Now I want to say, how we're going to split that particular thing? By wherever we see space, split it. That is the first term, okay, whatever the length we have. So this is it. This is very simple. Now let's run this and let's see how much we got. Let's see what is the length of that particular thing, that particular text we have. how many words we have in that particular file. So we have 32 words. Is that clear? So this is it basically, that if we are given with a file, we can count the word, okay, we can count the words of it by using the replace, or by using length operator or split operator. Like we will split wherever we have commas. So thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any another update. Also, I'm going to upload this source file, so the solution, on Blogger, so check that out also. It's the link is in the description. It says eat sleep code repeat hyphen code eat sleep hyphen code repeat blogspot.com. Go check that out. Okay, thanks.